And Wall Street's recent wobbles are certainly being felt on Main Street. Everyday Americans worry about the impact that falling stock prices are having on their retirement savings. So-called 401k plans allow eligible U.S. employees to invest a portion of their paycheck into the markets without being taxed on it immediately. Now, many employers match that contribution, and then when these employees retire, that money is taxed as income. So it's really an alternative to a company pension plan, but it does put the risk and responsibility on employees to govern their own retirement, along with the financial asset management firms that they invest with. So this market volatility we've seen recently hits many regular Americans. And CCTV's Leland 10 spoke to one New Yorker who's lost about $1,000 in just 1 week.
It's not comfortable to see your portfolio go down by thousands of dollars in just a week or so.
Alan Janowski is a paralegal working in Manhattan. He has 10 years to go before he retires and before he can dip into his 401k, a retirement savings plan used by more than 50 million Americans. Are you worried enough that you've had to make lifestyle changes in the near future?
Not going ahead with some planned purchases, furniture for instance, not taking such an elaborate vacation this year. Normally I would either go to Europe or Asia for my annual vacation. This year I'm staying in the States.
Like many Americans, Alan has been hardened by the 2008 financial crisis and believes there's no reason to panic yet.
Well, I saw how I rebounded after 2008, 2009. At that time, we were very scared. I was going through a job change. It was all happening at the same time. My portfolios have come back substantially since then. So I think it's just going to have to happen again that way. I think it's certainly not as big as 2008, but it's not even so much the size as how quickly it happened in just a week, you know, how much it fell in 1 week's time.
Most Americans I've spoken with said they plan to ride this out. Experts are also recommending the same, assuring clients that the stock market isn't reflecting the real economy, that Wall Street is reacting to external dynamics like China's slowdown, while Main Street has a brighter outlook with more jobs and more affordable fuel. But there is a specific group of Americans who can't afford to wait too long for a stock market recovery.
I am worried about my father to think that he's living off his retirement savings, his investments, and probably lost a substantial amount of money in this last week or so also. People who are near retirement or already retired, they're the ones who have the most to worry about. And they don't have the time to wait to wait it out because they're dependent on that money right now.
The more optimistic say this volatility in the markets could last for weeks. Others say several months. Leland 10, CCTV, New York.